Alrighty, what's good? So it's August 31st, Thursday. Kind of fucked up today, not gonna lie. But I mean, shit, let's just get into it, honestly. Honestly, I didn't want to make this video just because today was disappointing. I mean, I took one trade. I took two trades on one entry. So I mean, I'll just show. So I entered in right here on this pullback, and so let me pull up the video. So see, I was waiting for the pullback. I went in with 4 contracts on this one, and you can see I was waiting for the pullback, and I saw there's a lot of liquidity up here. So I thought we'd hit one of the liquidity levels and then reject off of it. So I was waiting for it. Waited for it to come up. And it hit the EMA.
That's it.
And you can literally hear me click my mouse. Actually, I don't know if you guys can hear it. But I literally click it on the EMA.
That's it.
And it gets me in like a tick below the EMA, like 2 ticks below the EMA, which was kind of annoying because I like to get in right on the EMA. So yeah, so kind of, I don't know if it like lagged or whatever, but I got in below the EMA, which is, I like to get in right on the EMA. So I got in, came up, came down, but just ended up coming up and taking my stop. Like you can see this arrow is where I got stopped out at. That's my stop at 2 points. Just ticked it. Didn't go any higher than it. And then after that, just reversed back down a little bit, I guess. Not like a ton. Not below where my entry point was. And so at this point, I was kind of, because I'll show you something else as well. There was a level I had marked. See, there's a white level right here. It was the close of yesterday. So I was expecting a gap, or I wasn't expecting. It was like, if it happened, it happened. It was like the gap fill. That's the level. So this is where yesterday's close was. Also, kind of bounced off of it pre-market. And yeah, so I had that level drawn, and then get rid of this real quick so you can see better. So I mean, I entered in right here and it came up, and then right where the white level is kind of where my stop was. So it ticked it, so it came down, and I thought, okay, like it's a rejection, so let me get in again. And so that's what I ended up doing. Just got greedy, full mode back in. And I mean, I know I shouldn't do this. I literally have a rule in my head where it's like, I should never get into another trade after I get stopped out, like no matter what the circumstances are. But I ended up doing that anyways. But I didn't even get stopped out, honestly. I was waiting to see what would happen. I got in, and it was just chilling for a little bit, and then it came up. I was like, what the fuck? What am I doing with my life? I was looking at my P&L, and I was already feeling pain. So I was like, okay, what am I doing? So I ended up stopping out. I don't even know how many points. I think it's like 3/4 or either a point. Yeah, I think it was like 3/4. Like, so 3 ticks. So I mean, down 55, 67 after fees on like literally one trade, which is annoying. Because I mean, that's like half of what like a winning trade is. So, and I've literally gotten nothing. And also, I was kind of hesitating on this one. I really wanted to take it because it was 10 o'clock at the time, and I had to go to class at like, I had to leave at like 10:10. So I was kind of like hesitating. I wanted to take a trade because I didn't want to miss it. I didn't want to miss the move. So I don't know. It wasn't good at all. There honestly wasn't a lot. In the morning, there's a lot of consolidation, which is annoying to sit through. I mean, it's not like I'm watching the entire time. I have some things set so that I'm kind of watching. But it was just annoying to sit through all this consolidation. Obviously, I'm still sitting on my computer. I'm watching like the price action and everything. But yeah, today wasn't much. And it's Thursday, so tomorrow we have one more trading day left. So we'll see how that goes. Tomorrow I can actually trade the entire day. I don't have any class tomorrow, which is good. Fuck college. Yo, if you in college right now, that shit just started up. Comment fuck college. I'm gonna like it. I'll subscribe. Psych, I won't subscribe. But comment that shit. Yeah. So I mean, what am I down? Down $67. So yeah. What am I on the account? Down 50. Yeah, down $55 on the account on the eval. So L's in the chat, bruh. I don't even give a fuck anymore.